Yeah. Gotta rap this real cause the other make me ill. Harassed by them boys on the daily make me feel. Pain come from bills that will have you stone kill. Poke with them grills and they ride the big wheels. Trunk over hype shit, calm, better chill. Gotta get this cheese, not G's preferred meals. Whack talk and thoughts will get that back pill. Like an orange cut by a knife, I'm so detailed. Gotta rap this real cause the other made me ill. Harassed by them boys on the daily make me feel. Pain come from bills that will have you stone kill. Poke with the grills and they ride the big wheels. We gotta get this cheese, not G's preferred meals. From Cobra hype shit, calm, better chill. Whack talking thoughts will get that back pill. Like an orange cut by a knife, I'm so detailed.
This Real Vision. Real Vision.
You watching Real Vision right now.
You watching Real Vision on GMRNS TV.
Yeah.
Say Real Vision. Real Vision. You heard it from the best.
Real Vision.
Real Vision.
Real Vision.
Real Vision.
Real Vision. You know what I'm saying? GMRNS TV.
It's Real Vision. It's GMRNS TV.
GMRNS. Grown man, real nigga shit.
What's Real Vision? A Real Vision is behind us. We got that nigga Ray J in here. Yeah.
This is Fran with Real Vision. Real Vision. Real Vision.
Real Vision. You in the motherfucking building, the realest shit on fucking TV.
Can say black people break the words that be said, man. I have them devils quaking, body head be aching, ain't no time for faking. They gotta have you shaking, the wrong move you taking. Body head be aching, ain't no time for faking. They gotta have you shaking, the wrong move you taking. Gotta rep this real cause the other make me ill. Harassed by them boys on the daily make me feel.
Oh yeah, my nigga. You already know what time it is, cuz. Live once again in the flesh, man. You know what I'm saying? We come to get into it. First and foremost, you gotta give thanks, man. You already know we're gonna come from the real nigga way. The ancient Tawahadu, the kingdom of the black. The kingdom of the black. All the way back to the ancient Ethiopia, the ancient Kushite. Give thanks to the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, conquering line to the tribe of Judah. Emperor Haile Selassie I, Jah Rastafari, the ever-living, the King of Zion, the King of all niggas, Negus, and Amharic, which is King of Kings. That's Negus, nigga of all niggas. You know what I'm saying? Way back to the Solomonic and the Sheba reunion, resurrected once again, the youths to come forth in the flesh, man. You already know what it be like, my nigga. Live. It's Real Vision on GMRNS TV. Once again, grown man, real nigga shit. You know what I'm saying? Live in the flesh, man. It's your boy, Your Highness, man, a.k.a. Dragon Slayer.
And it's your boy, Jay Jizzle, a.k.a. Field Marshal. You know we live in this Real Vision, so lock in.
Man, we got a guest for y'all boys, man. We're going to lock in this week. We're going to get into it, man. Let's go on and bring them on in and let her introduce herself and tell them what it is. You know what I'm saying?
My name is Nicholas Langston, for those that don't know. A lot of people in the Tampa Bay area, state of Florida, feel to be internationally. You might know me as Taurus Urban. I try to say that distinctly because oftentimes I'm misunderstood. But I'm here representing grown man, real nigga shit. It is what I'm sorry, please forgive me. But it is what it is. They said it was grown man, real nigga shit. That's so what it is. That's what it is.
That's what it is.
But I'm also representing the Nation of the Forgotten Population Incorporated. That's a Florida nonprofit organization incorporated in 2007. Please research it. Whatever you can find, believe it. And I'm ready to get into it. You'll find out more about me if you look for it.
That's real, my nigga. Straight up, you know what I'm saying? So that's actually the hours was over here. Man, in the middle of this fair,
I figured.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we're gonna get into it right now. We're gonna break it down, man. It's Real Vision, you know what I'm saying? We got the black, the last black superhero over there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get into it, my nigga. Here's what it is. This week for the topic, man, Real Vision, grown man, real nigga shit. Well, first of all, wait. Just gotta give thanks.
Praise God.
Hold on. We just gotta give thanks to all the real niggas that been locking in every week, man, from all over the place, man. You know what I'm saying?
You already know that.
All around the Bay, man. You ain't gotta be doing this shit. You could be doing whatever, but you choose to lock in on this real shit. So you gotta give thanks all around the Bay, all the way over there to California, Ron, you know what I'm saying? Niggas over there in LA in the area, Leo Takur, Black Prince over there in Houston, you know what I'm saying? Hoop Dog up there in Detroit, you know what I'm saying? The politician, Marv up there in Michigan. You know what I'm saying? All your peace over there in Valdosta,
Yeah,
Georgia.
they already know who they be up there.
Niggas down south, all over the place, man. A real nigga, man. You know what I'm saying? Because it's about the real niggas first, and it's about the real nigga within you. Because everybody got that real nigga in them, which is your ancient, real black, righteous soul. You know what I'm saying? Everybody got in there because we all come out the black. That's just the facts. Ain't no bias bullshit. We talking. This is GMRNS. And this week, man, the subject, we're going to get into it, is Babylon, the Beast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you see that shit back there now.
I want some.
Yeah. You see that shit back there. You see that all saying, you find that on the back of your average dollar bill.
Your average dollar bill.
You know
If you got one. If not, we got a picture.
Straight up, my nigga. We're going to get into it, my nigga. So right now, some people hear the title right now. We're going to just follow it psychologically, far as in chronologically. We're going to trace the thought pattern like we always do, man. You hearing right now, you seeing the words on the screen, Babylon, the beast. You like, what that supposed to mean? What's Babylon? What's the beast? You know what I'm saying? Just really, if you don't know, we mean when they say, what is the beast? Basically speaking on the definition as stated in the book of Revelation. You know what I'm saying? Revelation first speaks of the beast in chapter 4. You know what I'm saying? Referencing the 4 beasts that were round about the throne of Jah. You know what I'm saying? So, and it gets more detailed information about the beast in Revelation. Like we said, this is what we referring the source of when we say the beast in Babylon. Detailed information it gets into in Revelation chapter 13, also in Revelation chapter 17. We're going to go ahead and bring this shit up and get into it right now. You know what I'm saying? Get some detail about what the King James Version say about the beast. What you got your boy? Ba. All right, we're pulling up Revelation chapter 13. And this is coming out the King James Bible, man. You won't think of no crazy shit. You know what I'm saying?
Keep it simple. Everybody seem to agree on the G's believe on Jesus. That's all I gotta say.
Know what they say?
The G's believe on Jesus.
All right, here we go. Revelation chapter 13. Starting from verse 1. It said, "And I stood upon the sand of the sea, and saw a beast rise up out of the sea, having 7 heads and 10 horns, and upon his horns 10 crowns, and upon his heads the names of blasphemy. And the beast which I saw was like unto a leopard, and his feet were as the feet of a bear, and his mouth as the mouth of a lion. And the dragon gave him his power, and his seat, and great authority. And I saw one of his heads as it were wounded to death, and his deadly wound was healed. And all the world wondered after the beast. And they worshipped the dragon which gave power unto the beast. And they worshipped the beast, saying, Who is like unto the beast? Who is able to make war with him? And there were given unto him a mouth speaking great things and blasphemy. And power was given unto him 42 months. And he opened his mouth in blasphemy against Jah, to blaspheme his name and his tabernacle, and them that dwell in heaven. And it was given unto him to make war with the saints, and to overcome them. And power was given him over all kindreds and tongues and nations. And all that dwell upon the earth shall